guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Rynie Mac and welcome back to my channel. So I don't like that, so I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I am Rynie Mac and I'm going to be doing part 3 of my room makeover series. I'm going to be building stuff today. So we're just gonna see how that goes because I've built things like dressers and nightstands and stuff before. What I'm doing today is I'm building my clothing rack and I'm gonna try and build my bed and see how that goes. This dresser is not supposed to be here, but it's here, so we're just going to work with it. So we're just gonna see how much of my room I'm gonna be able to fit in here with all of, well, some of my old stuff still in here. Yeah, if you're new, like, comment, and share this video. Comment down below what you think of the room so far. I'm gonna do a little playback. I'm gonna show y'all how the room looked before and after, and then I'm going to show y'all me trying to put this clothing rack together. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the experience with me because I'm no professional. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. So we're gonna do it together. This should be simple. I don't think this is going to be complicated at all. Y'all gonna watch me do this. I know for a fact I'm skipping steps right now, so I'm gonna take this off and just do it step by step. But I know this going there. Here goes. Better. So I need to take this and this screw and this little one right here. I'm not saying the names of them because I don't know it, but I'm gonna show you so that you can see it. I'm a visual learner, so that would always work for me. talking a little too fast right now. They talking a little too fast right now. But what's gonna hold this? Like it's gonna tingle like that? Ew. Okay. If this is what it's telling me, I really am doing it correctly. Because this is what it's telling me to do. Y'all, this is what it's telling me to do. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Just let me have my moment, okay? Do you see that? That is for this screw to screw. I'm gonna be honest and let you know that no, this wasn't even. This is why I was so concerned, because I'm like, I don't understand how this is going to hold this with this and it's wobbling. It's me, it's my fault. I understand now. I get it. This is easy. I just wasn't thinking. Who told me to think? Like, honestly, who told me to think? It's simple instructions here. Simple instructions. It's no thinking. Follow instructions. That's all. And voila. Number 1. If I can do this, anyone can do this. It's so much screwing though, like, come on. I'ma just stop acting like I know it all. That's what I'ma stop doing. Acting like I could do it all by myself. I have tools for a reason. Girl, if you don't tighten this, what am I doing? Thinking too much. Nobody asked me to think. Alright. Now we here. Okay. Okay. Just making sure it's taller because it's telling me it's supposed to be taller. Okay. I can do that. Simple instructions. Follow directions. Simple instructions. I can do that. You have to screw the screw on like this first, and then place it above it. Screw. Okay. That's doing something. All right. Figured that out. You take this little piece, put this on the back, put this part on the inside, and you use this on the outside to screw, well, on the inside to screw this piece. Very proud of this so far. Let's see how far we get. Great. There's some more pieces. So I think I successfully built this clothing rack. Yes, I did. The only way to test it though, I successfully built this clothing rack. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I got this clothing rack from IKEA, and if you want to purchase it, I will have it linked down below. It's the RIGGA clothing rack, and I'm so proud of myself that I built this all by myself. This room is so gonna come out how I wanted to, just how I imagined it in my head. I just can't wait. I just want to say this was a lot of work. Finishing up this floor and building this, I'm probably going to call it quits here because I'm a little tired. I really just wanted to say thank you for the support that I have been getting. I have been getting a lot of support. I really do appreciate it. Even though I do be taking my breaks, it is mainly because my body be hurting a lot. I didn't talk about it much, but I will talk about it in a coming video of the reason why I do beat. So in and out, but stick with me. So like this video if you like it, and comment down below if you learned how to, if I helped you at least build your clothing rack, because listen, I did it a little bit easy. I was bugging out a little bit in the beginning, but I fixed it up and I was able to build it, and I know I helped you. So comment down below and let me know if I helped you, and comment down below if you need more help. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos. I hope to see you in the next one, and